Hello, cosplay world. We're back with Steven Universe Garnet fists, and they turned out okay. I really kind of wish I had more sharp edges on them, but I coated them in white glue for like a really nice hard shell. You can throw these around the room. You can leave them as long as you're not like dragging them against concrete. They'll be fine, and they're coated in varnish. And yeah, they're pretty durable. If you want an extended rant on how this whole thing was going together, check out finalcosplaycore.com. All of my supporters, my subscribers, get an extended version of this tutorial. Hope you guys check it out. It's got details. But we're going to go through a quick kind of version of this. The entire piece is made of XPS foam, extruded polystyrene. And we're going to glue them together in cakes because they only come in about 2-inch thick sheets. Once we're done, we're going to be sanding and shaping them into the base fists themselves. First with a hot wire foam cutter to get some of the larger sections, then I move on to a saw, and then next is a rasp and a planer to kind of actually sculpt them. Rasps and planers work wonders on this material for shaping and sculpting as if you were sculpting a sculpture. You definitely want to be wearing a mask for this material, and you may not want to be using this in a bedroom scenario. This is a garage kind of thing, or in my case, a room dedicated to cosplay. The star on the back of the fist is going to be EVA foam mat, because it's going to be, I was planning on having it to be the cushion that you kind of sit on, but at the end of the day it came out really durable and it didn't matter too much. We use plaster Paris here to fill in any gaps or holes in the foam inconsistencies. And then we're going to coat the whole thing in white glue as our shell. Now, as with most kind of applications of liquids, be it paints or varnishes or things like that, I recommend many thin coats over one heavy thick coat, because heavy thick coats tend to run and you'll end up sanding it and refinishing it and you lose detail. And with glue, white glue doesn't sand particularly well, and so that's what ended up giving me strife, is that it doesn't sand very well. So definitely it's better to do several thin coats and take your time than to fight with it and sand it up a bunch of times like I did. The inside has a bit of fabric that we covered with EVA foam to kind of hide the fact. There's actually a bit of EVA foam on the inside there. And there's a CCP obscure on the inside as the handle. And there we go. This was given to a friend of mine. I think they enjoyed it. And it's a pretty good prop. They're really durable, but very blobby. Very blobby, rather blobby for me. I wanted to be like real crystalline and sharp edge. But I'm rambling. Next we're making Sonic from One Punch Man. We're going to make his sword and his details, but not the leotard. You can just buy the leotard. Hope you guys check that out. Good times to all. Yeah. Hey, over at finalcosplaycore.com, we have a ton more cosplay awesomeness. You should check it out. Rah!